I'm Mickey Meisner here coming to you live from the Vancouver Water Store, from the Kangen Water Store in Vancouver. Welcome to Facebook Live. Stuff goes wrong. We are located on the corner of 4th Plain and 162nd Avenue on the east side of Vancouver in Suite 420, and we are open and ready for business. And it has just never been a better time. I am so excited about what's happening right now. You know, a lot of people are really worried about what's happening right now, and rightfully so. A lot of people are in a lot of fear, and rightfully so. So why am I so excited? Because in the Japanese language, the same kanji for problem is the same kanji for opportunity. Let that sink in for a minute. So these are unprecedented times. We have a lot of craziness happening in the world right now with a pandemic and this mysterious virus that we don't know what to do with or how to cure or how to reverse or all of the things. And a lot of people are staying home in fear. And at the same time, a lot of businesses are closing down. I just read some statistics that 40% of the businesses that have closed down due to the pandemic are not going to reopen. 40%. 67% of Americans are employed by small businesses. So we are looking at a new global economy, and something like 30% of Americans right now are on unemployment. So what happens when that unemployment runs out? Are you going to be able to go back to the job that you had before? So a lot of people are struggling with these questions right now, and a lot of these very real concerns. And I just want to suggest that you have everything you need inside you to overcome this. I was on a webinar last night, and a friend of mine was talking about the opportunities that are available during this pandemic. And again, same opportunity for problem, or same problem, opportunity, same thing, depending on which side you're looking at it. Now, I promised that today we would talk about the value of an SD501 versus the cost of an SD501. What's an SD501? It's a Kangen Water Machine. SD501 is our flagship model. It's the one we sell the most of. We have 6 different models. They go anywhere between $2,300 and $6,000, depending on which machine is right for you and your situation. So the value of an SD501, let's talk about that first. Then I'm going to circle around to talk about the business, because I feel like that's one of the biggest value pieces. And it took me a couple of years to get that, because I always led with the health side. And if you know me, you know I'm a cancer survivor, and I'm very, very outspoken about health, about wellness, about being proactive in your health, about radical responsibility, and looking at not the problem, but looking at the solution and seeing what you can do to take care of yourself in your health and your finances. So I've been blessed with cancer twice, and I learned how to recover my health and maintain my health through natural means. And when the water came into my world, it just made sense. It made so much sense, because so much of our physiology depends on water, because it's the transport system. It drives all good things into your cells and gets all bad things out of your cells. And that's one of the biggest value pieces of what an Enagic Kangen Water Machine can do. The value is hydrating your body at the cellular level, because that's what you run on. Your whole body runs on water. The energy that goes into Kangen water gives it antioxidants. Now, we're all looking for antioxidants. Why? Because antioxidants are anti-aging. They are anti-inflammatory. And there's a lot of talk in the medical communities about how all disease, how all illness circles back to inflammation. And my question is what causes inflammation? Why is that not talked about? Really what causes inflammation is dehydration. Dehydration causes all your cells, every 100 trillion of them, to go into fight or flight mode. And so your body, in response to that, is under attack all day long, and it sends in the stormtroopers to help protect it. So antioxidants give you energy, give you electrons to donate to the free radicals, which are bombarding your body and putting you in fight or flight all the time. So that extra energy neutralizes the free radicals and takes you down a notch so that your body can relax and do its job, which is to heal itself, right? That your body is designed to heal itself. So antioxidants, they take you out of stress mode. One of the other values that a Kangen water machine gives you is the restructuring of the water. That restructuring helps that water move more efficiently in and out of your cells through your bloodstream. Your blood is 90% water. Your brain is 85% water. Your lungs are 90% water. You're basically a big walking cucumber with anxiety. Okay, maybe you don't have anxiety, but you are water. We are bodies of water, and supporting our system requires giving our bodies what they need. So water that hydrates better, water that's full of antioxidants, and water that's pH balanced. Now there's a lot of talk about pH water right now, and you can go to Safeway or Fred Meyer or Kroger's or wherever you shop and buy bottled water. If that were the answer, why are so many people sick? The value of Kangen water isn't that it's pH balanced. It's part of it, but it's how the three properties work together to help your body be in balance, to help hydrate you at the cellular level so that you can be your optimum self, so your health can get raised up a notch. One of the things that I find so valuable about Kangen water is that it doesn't matter what your health situation is. If your health level is down here, it's going to hydrate you so that it buoys you up to a higher level. If your health level is here, awesome. How about we stay there? How about we hydrate, give the body what it needs regardless of where it's at or what you've got going on. So Kangen water just meets you where you're at. It helps you be the healthiest you can be. That's the biggest value of a Kangen water system, is it helps you be healthy. Maybe the biggest value is something else. Maybe the biggest value is peace of mind, is empowerment. It's giving you what you need for you and your family to take fear out of the equation, to give you unlimited antioxidants, unlimited hand sanitizer, give you a water that can replace some of the toxic household chemicals that we are surrounded with. I heard a study that said the average American household spends about $600 a year on cleaners. Who does that? And most of them are absolutely toxic. They come in plastic, and where do those cleaners go when we're done? They go down the drain. Okay, we have the power to stop that. We have a water machine that can replace 99% of your cleaners. Let's do something and stop being part of the problem, polluting the water, polluting the environment, and these chemicals aren't healthy for you either. American households are one of the most toxic places in the world. Why? Because of those cleaners. It doesn't have to be that way. We have answers to all of that. And there's a business that comes with it. So here's what I'm really excited about. I've been excited about this water for 11 years. I bought my machine in 2008 when the market, right as the market crashed. And oddly enough, we opened Kangen Water Store right as the market crashed, actually right before, 11 days before the market crash, we got the doors open. And my first response was, really, God? I thought this was what I was supposed to do. And here we are 2 months later, and I am more convinced than ever that this is exactly what I'm supposed to do. We are right where we're supposed to be, because we check all 10 boxes of is this business right for you? Is this sustainable? Is it something that anyone can do? 10 boxes, I think there's actually 20 boxes. So I was reading Robert Kiyosaki's Business of the 21st Century, and he talks about businesses that can survive long term. And he talks about network marketing as being a vehicle for the way out. Robert Kiyosaki, if you don't know who he is, look him up. He's amazing. And, there's a couple of things in the coming future that are going to make Enagic, the company that makes this water, really attractive. Really, really attractive. And there's so many, I actually had to write them down, so bear with me. I just want to circle back to realistically, 20 to 25% of the people you know, their jobs are not coming back. And it's both good news and not good news. It's great news for those that see the opportunity. It's not good news for people that are looking at the problem. Okay, so for those of you that see opportunity, listen up. I've got something really interesting for you. So what are you going to do when the checks stop coming in? For those of you that see opportunity, you're going to find opportunity. And there's a lot of them right now. And the really interesting thing is a lot of amazing people are jobless right now. So the people that could potentially come on your team, if you have a network marketing business, whether it's a Nagic or whether it's another one, is incredible. This is an unprecedented time for businesses like this. And this is really amazing. It's an amazing time. So being able to create a strategy to thrive in this economy and be able to look ahead at what kind of businesses will make it, what you need is an abundance program. What you need, and the biggest things that are going to set you up, and pardon us, technical difficulties, the biggest things that are going to be against you are your belief system and the belief system of your friends that tell you this isn't possible, and the set of skills that you have that you think you're going to be able to rely on. Because where we're going is unprecedented. Where we're going is someplace completely different. And that pivot that everyone is talking about right now, it's totally available. And what I'm so excited about with this particular business is that anyone can do it. So the boxes that we check are many. And one of the things that we provide, one of the biggest values of Kangen Water is, do people need it? Absolutely. Everybody needs this water. Why do I say this water? Because it hydrates better. With all of the pandemic and the sickness and the illness, and not just talking about the one that everybody's thinking about right now, but what about the big C? What about heart disease? What about your body? I'm not making medical claims. Your body runs on water. So when you have better water, you're better equipped to fight those things. So do people need it? Absolutely. Do people want it? I think people want to be healthy. I think it's time. I think people are ready to raise their vibration and do something proactive to help themselves and help their families. I think people are sick and tired of being sick and tired. Does it do what they say it does? I've been doing this for 11 years, and I'm not allowed to, give testimonies on Facebook or in recording anywhere. I challenge you to come on into the Kangen Water Store and meet some of the people that have been drinking this water and hear their stories firsthand, because they are so unbelievable. You wouldn't believe me if I put them on video anyway. So I invite you to talk to someone that's drank the water. Call me, call my husband, call some of our clients, and listen to it directly from them. Does it do what it say that it does? Absolutely. It's amazing. Is it essential? I don't know. Is water essential? Of course it is. It's always been essential. Is it going to stay that way? That's a thumbs up too. Will this business continue to grow? Look, we are a 45-year-old tried and true company. We have certification and awards in every category. We don't even have competition. There's nothing like this anywhere. Is it going to continue to grow? We are global. We're not going away. All the systems are in place. Is it valuable? It's beyond price. Your health, could you put a price on that? I am so much healthier since I've started drinking this water, and I'm ever grateful that it came into my life. And the biggest gift to me is being able to share that with others and giving a person something of value that helps them with their health or with their finances. That is the biggest value of all to me personally. Is it sustainable? The cool thing about the Enagic business, it's just as good as the water. The water's incredible, and so is the business. The compensation plan good? The compensation plan is incredible. It's sustainable. It's designed to build teamwork and to build community. And that's what we're doing here at the Kangen Water Store, is we are creating a community of wellness and wealth and healthy people, high vibe, and it just keeps getting bigger and keeps going out. Can anyone do it? Anyone. can do this business. We're here to help you. The systems are in place. The product is divine. It's absolutely amazing. And here's the thing. It's a very small investment. You can get in with 0 down and a very low monthly payment. How about less than $50 for a business with no glass ceiling? The sky's the limit, and now is the time. There has never been another time. One of the things you're getting is a $1 billion business that you get to align yourself, that has the product distribution in place. And if you're a business person and you know what that means, it is huge. Look, you're not going to go to a bank and get a loan and start up a business at any time soon. The banks aren't giving the loans out. What this is an opportunity to take something that's already done for you and move forward, that helps you, that helps your family, that helps the environment, and that is sustainable. Now has never been a time. We've got the training, we've got the systems in place, we've got the people, and we are here for you. So Kangen Water Store, again, we are located on the corner of 4th Plain and 162nd Avenue. We're on the north side, so the 4th Plain side. Come on in. In June, we're going back to full-time open, full bore. We are here to help you, and we would love for you to align yourself with us, and let's help this community get healthy and raise the vibe. And thank you so much for tuning in with us and being a part of our community and just helping the world be a better place. Go ahead and hashtag live if you were able to see this live. If you're watching the replay, hashtag replay and just let us know. And I'm curious, what questions do you have for me? What do you love about this business? What questions do you have for this business? Do you have an experience with an MLM? Maybe it was good, maybe it wasn't good. Do you have an experience with a direct sales, which is what an Enagic actually is? It's not multi-level marketing. Was it good? Was it not good? Why was it not good? What did you like about it? What do you not like about it? I just want to open the conversation to that, and then I want to place this in front of you. I just watched a video by Worre, and if you don't know, if you know what network marketing is, if you've ever been in a network marketing company, if you've taken any sales training whatsoever, you know who Worre is. He is the king of network marketer. He's the trainer of trainers. And he's on Enagic now. He's one of the team. Not my team. I wish he was part of my team. But his endorsement means a lot to me. And having people of that kind of sales status jumping on board is huge. The people that are about to come on board with this company are amazing. What if they signed up under you? What if they were part of your team? That can happen. Typically, the person that signs up with Enagic, that sells 100 machines, which makes them what we call a 6A, a 6-point agent, that's the top pay level. Typically, that person, to get to that level, they've made $60,000 to $70,000 to get there. And typically, they have sold themselves 6 to 8 of those machines and then helped those people create a team themselves. That's possible for you. That's possible for you. So give me a call, come into the store, reach out to me, private message, text, whatever your favorite form of communication is. Reach out and we got this. We are going to change the world together. All our love. I'm Mickey Meisner coming to you live from the Kangen Water Store. Thanks for joining.